Oh.
It's not done.
Alright, then we're gonna go.
Do. Grabe, nag-enjoy ka talaga. Yan, so diyan, nandito na naman kami sa lake.
Gotta come in. Come back in the back. You're done. Come back here. Come on, right here. Come right here. Come on. Hey, right
He don't like it. He want more swimming.
here. Come here.
Ayaw pa niya.
I do. Come on. Right here, come on. No. Hey, come here.
She wanna
Come
go.
here. Come here.
Just leave a little bit.
Turn around. Hey, come here. This way. Hey, come on. There you go. Come on.
Where are you?
You swimming, Bobby? You swimming, Duty?
Yes.
Good swimmer, huh? You're a good swimmer, huh? Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I'm swimming everywhere, huh? Good swimmer, huh? Yeah, you swimming. You love swimming. There you go. There you go. You're still swimming good, huh? You didn't get dirty water, did you? Oh. You want in?
There you go.
You come in? Around back. Right in. Back. Ready? Good one. That one flies. Way out there. Look.
Hi, Victor.
Hi. What's happening? We're here at the After Bay enjoying May's day off. Or one day off. Gotta go to the water.
Yan, so ngayon ang tubig is malamig kasi galing yan doon sa itaas sa bundok. Yung mga nalulusaw na yellow. Wrinkle, come here. Oh my God. Yan ang aso ko. Mahilig talaga siya sa tubig. What happening?
He got it. He got it.
Oh!
You going to take a shower, Han? The water is cold?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so cold.
Look at my shorts.
Kasi nga, ano yan eh. Kasi yung tubig na yan is galing sa bundok. Yung mga, ano ba yan? Yung lamok pumapasok sa ilong ko. Yes.
I got you a rock.
Oh, okay.
Here. Come get it.
What's that rock? You find it? I love you.
I had it here for my wife from last year. Still here.
Ayan. So nahanap daw niya yung rock na sinulatan niya. Kasi dati is lagi kami dito. Dito kami naliligo kapag summer. Kasi masarap dito eh. Kasi ang tubig niya is masarap gawa nung malamig. Hindi masarap. Maganda yung tubig kasi malamig. Tapos kasi galing yan doon sa itaas. Yung mga nalulusaw na yelo. Tapos ang linis ng tubig. Kasi nga walang mga nagkakalat dito gawa ng bawal. Diba? Pwede kang kasuhan. Rick! Ayan ang aking kaibigan. So pag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, sabi niya gusto niya sumama. Gusto niya rin niyang tumira sa amin. Ayaw niya nang humiwalay. So maganda naman siya kasama kasi naglilinis, tapos madali mong utusan. Yan. So kahit kasama namin niya sa bahay, okay lang kasi forever naman ang ihang disability. Ayan, so magkakaibigan. So pag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, iwan namin siya sa bahay kasi gawa nung dogi namin. Siya magbabantay. Pero gusto niya sumama. Mag-asawa daw siya ng Pilipino. Yeah, the water is super cold.
Yeah.
My feet are so cold. My
Yeah.
socks is-
It's super cold because it's kasi galing pa yun sa ice.
Come on, bro.
Ay, honey pie.
Hi, baby girl. What you doing?
This is the 4 times you get married?
Next time, yeah.
You
He showed me my
need
future
to
ex-wife.
find a Filipino.
He showed me my future ex-wife earlier.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, so you're going to get married?
He said, go down to Filipino, you meet this girl right here. Yeah. That's where I am.
You go with me in the Philippines vacation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. What's that?
The school teacher.
The school teacher?
Yeah, your friend, the school teacher.
Oh, yeah, younger?
Need to start to talk to conversation in Facebook. So you find a girlfriend, a Filipina, you get married. And you go to the Philippines, you stay there.
At least, you know what? I'll get married just to bring somebody over here.
Yeah.
They don't have to do nothing. They don't have to do nothing. I just get married.
You guys done?
Like that.
Because it's cold?
No, I don't want him anymore. I don't want him to get sick.
So ayan, sumuko din sila kasi nga malamig nga naman talaga ang tubig. O, di ba? Ay ako nga hindi naka-jacket pa nga ako kasi malamig. So ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Pero pag dito kasi gawa ng malamig ang tubig, so yung singaw niya is maginaw. Kaya talaga naka-jacket ako. Ha?
He loves that town.
Ayan, so yung kaibigan ng asawa ko, gusto rin niya mag-asawa ng Pilipino. O, di ba? So ito yung aming lake dito sa Bidwell Park. Apor Bidwell Park. Ayan, so kasi dati namin dinadala dito si Doggy. Kasi naliligo. Alam mo, maganda dinadala ang mga aso sa tubig dito sa lake, sa mga lake ganito. Kasi ang lambot ng kanilang mga balhibo. Ang ganda. Wrinkle, come here! Kawawa nga yung aso ko kasi 3 na yung legs tapos masakit pa yung paan niya. Ayan, huli ka sa camera, Wrinkle. Tatai ka dyan. Come here. Ayan, tatumatay ka dyan. Ayan ang nga ang aking Doggy, oh. Kawawa yung paan niyan. Yan, kawawa yung paan niya, no? Ayan, nilamig din kayo, ha? Akala nyo, ang tapang nyo, gusto nyo maligo?
I know. I thought she said a kid too.
Ang daming mga lamok na maliliit. Masakit pa naman mga gat. 'Di ba? Kinakagat yung ulo ko. Ayan, oh. Yan, so uwi na ako. Bye-bye! Kayo na lang magsama, uwi na ako. Kasi may lamok. What's that?